everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today is just a quick video to tell you what happens when I finish my paintings. They are completely dry and then I varnish them, and I give them 2 or 3 coats of varnish and let them dry in between each coat, and that's very important. I paint the sides, and in this case black, and I sign my name on the side of the painting, and my painting name is Zizi. I also wire it in really good sturdy wiring and put my tags, and the tags tell you about me, and they also tell you about the painting, its name and its size, and I do that for all my paintings. If you're interested in purchasing, please contact me at sorayasilvestriartist@gmail.com. That's in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.